Well, folks, I think we finally found it. A genuine 1967 Mustang Fastback barn find. It's rough, but it's all here.
This is rough. We'll have to replace the entire floor pan and most of the rear quarters.
All right, taking a closer look at the rocker panel. The rust here is extensive. Definitely looking at some serious patching work.
Let's see what's inside this old V8. These intake bolts are really stuck on there. There we go, making progress.
The 2K primer goes on smooth, sealing the bodywork. This gray surface is exactly what we need before the British racing green.
And there she is, out of the booth and into the light. The deep burgundy really pops. All right, the paint stage is officially complete. Now that this metallic red is perfect, it's time to finally bolt on some of this trim. We're installing the restored steering wheel now, making sure everything is aligned before we drop in these premium leather seats.
The grille is looking good. Now we fit the headlights and the fender emblems, getting these lined up perfectly before the final polish. After all that hard work, she finally sees the light of day. The reflections on that burgundy paint are just flawless.